Hey, it's Kyle at Great Vacs. If you've purchased a rainbow vacuum cleaner from us, you've probably got this with your order. We get a lot of questions asking what it is and what it's used for. So in today's video, we're going to show you all that. So this is a handheld shampooer. This works on all models from the D4 all the way up to the E2 Black. This is great for upholstery, stain spot removal. Say your kids spill a beverage on the carpet, this will suck it right up and get that stain out. Here at Great Vacs, we offer several different solutions. These are only two of the several we offer. These are great for grease, grime, blood, stains, whatever you might need to get out of your carpet. These will do the trick. Now I'm going to show you how to fill your handheld shampooer up. So what you want to do is take off the lid. Don't lose this black gasket because you're going to need it. I recommend reading the back of your solution or multi-purpose cleaner to see the recommended amount to put in. I'm going to put some water in. Now we're going to be using the Rid's odor for this demonstration. We're just going to put a tiny bit in. Once you got your solution or your stain or spot removal, go ahead and put the lid back on. And once you got your handheld shampooer filled up all the way, we can go ahead and hook it up to your rainbow vacuum cleaner. Alright, let's get your handheld shampooer hooked up to your rainbow vacuum cleaner. You're going to want to make sure your hose is connected to the exhaust port. If you don't know how to do that, we have a video explaining the whole process. It'll be on the screen. We're going to start with this older model, which is the D4. We're going to take the tool hose and you're just going to want to put it in the larger end of the handheld shampooer right here. This is friction fit, so as you push it in, go ahead and twist it. As you can tell, it's on all the way. Now we're going to show you on the newer model, which is the E2 Black. Same process. Go ahead and just put the hose handle in the larger end of the handheld shampooer like so. And once you're done, you're ready to handheld shampoo whatever you might need. You're going to notice there's this cover hole on the top. When you're ready for your spot removal or your solution to come out, you're going to want to cover that hole and you're going to start noticing more dense solution coming out of your handheld shampooer. When you're done spraying the spot that needs to be cleaned, don't forget to put the hose back on the opposite end so you can vacuum it up. Here at Great Vacs, we know rainbows like the back of our hand. So if you're in the market for a new rainbow and curious about rainbows, go ahead and send us an email at service@greatvacs.com or check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to check out our channel for more rainbow vacuum content. As always, if you liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to stay up to date with all our new videos, hit the subscribe button and bell icon as well. And as always, thanks for watching.